Jobber payments. You can manage payments in the same place you manage your work and provide your clients with an easy way to make payments online or in person. To set up Jobber payments, navigate to the gear icon, Settings, Jobber Payments. There are 2 steps to setting up Jobber payments: verifying your business details, connecting your bank account to receive payments. This page lists some of the benefits of using Jobber payments, including collecting payments automatically by keeping client cards on file digitally, the ability to collect tips, the Jobber card reader, and instant payouts, so you can get your money seconds after collecting a payment. To start this process, click Get Started. First, in the sign-up process, you'll need to select what type of legal entity your company is. What you select here should match any legal documents you have for your company. Next, you'll be prompted to fill out your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and address info. This is used to designate a representative for your Jobber payments account. This should be the owner of the company. After that, review the information you entered. If everything looks good, click Submit, and the verification step is complete. If more information is needed in the future, Jobber will reach out. Now let's head to Step 2, setting up your bank account. This is where the payments you receive will be deposited. Your bank account can either be connected through online banking or manually by entering details from a void check. Click Next to get started. You'll be prompted to set up 2-step verification for added security. You'll see a prompt from Plaid, the third-party service used to securely connect your bank account. Click Continue, then select your bank from the list and enter your credentials to sign in to online banking. Finally, select your checking account to connect to Jobber payments. That's it. There's no approval period, so you don't need to wait. You're ready to start taking payments. Your first payout will take 5 business days, but all future payouts will be deposited in just 2 business days. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions, check out our Help Center.